A great experience which you need to try when visiting Prague. They will give you a quiz to solve and a treat. They also have a Joe's workshop that you can design your own cookies. The Choco Art Museum in Prague is a unique attraction where visitors can explore the fascinating world of chocolate through interactive exhibits, unlimited chocolate tasting, and engaging chocolate-making workshops. Guests will discover the rich history of cocoa, admire intricate chocolate sculptures, and learn how chocolate is crafted from bean to bar. The museum offers a hands-on experience where visitors can create and decorate their own chocolate treats to take home. With Instagram-worthy displays, a delicious tasting experience, and a chocolate-themed gift shop, it's the perfect destination for families, couples, and all chocolate lovers looking for a fun and immersive experience in Prague.